hair looks freaking janky, but it's fine, whatever. Is life-changing, amazing. But either way, beauty's pain, so it's fine. Here for a good time, not a long time. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share a little not routine of mine, just kind of how I whiten my teeth at home. It is cost efficient, effective, fast results. I don't know what else more you need to know. Sounds like a win-win to me. We're gonna jump right into it. So if you want to know my teeth whitening routine, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and sub to my channel so you don't miss out on any other videos. I am gonna share a little bit of my experience with this teeth whitening routine, but I'm gonna get right into the product first so y'all don't have to wait till the end of the video. Boom, here it is. Crest 3D whitening strips in vivid white. That is key. There are different kinds. I used to get them from Costco because then they would be cheaper and in a bulk pack, but it wasn't in vivid white, it was in like glamorous white. I feel like the results weren't what I was going for versus when I used the vivid white when I first started off. Highly recommend this one. I'll put it up right here. Y'all screenshot it, write it down, open your Target app, Walmart, local drugstore. That's where you can find it. It's literally anywhere, or I'm pretty sure you can just buy it online. For me, I always like to get it from Target because sometimes when I scan it in my little Cartwheel app, they'll have like a $5 coupon, so then it'll end up being like $20, but regular price is normally $24.99, something like that. And this comes with 24 strips, which is 12 treatments because one treatment has 2 strips, obviously, for the top and bottom. This stuff is life-changing, amazing. So I had braces up until my freshman year of high school, and then I got them off, and like my teeth didn't have the stain of like the braces tracks, which was great because I always took care of my teeth. But I noticed as I got to like my senior year and like my freshman year of college, sis had some non-white teeth, and it's not even that it was like hella yellow, it just was kind of off-white. And I was thinking to myself, that's embarrassing, real embarrassing, so we need to figure something out how to whiten my teeth. I've tried it myself maybe when I was a little bit younger, but I wasn't on like a consistent basis. I was kind of just doing it randomly to try it, and then it like wasn't sticking. Like the application I did was terrible, and I feel like it didn't really help. But now that, you know, I'm a little grown, sophisticated, I figured out how to properly do it. Of course I follow the directions, but there's certain steps that I do to make sure that it could be like as effective as possible. I'll put up pictures too. Here's me high school up to like freshman year of college. This is what my teeth look like. It wasn't bad, but it's compared to now, I was thinking, why did I never try to whiten my teeth? Teeth whitening is expensive, but that's why this is great because it's only not even $30. Whereas if you go from like those ones that you like insert in your mouth, like the mouth guard thing, they could range from 100 plus dollars, or if you get professional teeth whitening, stuff like that. Here's what the strip sizes are actually like. Here's the bottom one, and this one goes on the top, so there's more coverage. So I copped these. I remember I was literally in my dorm, went to Target. I did them probably maybe for 3 nights in a row. I don't think I did more than that, maybe 4, but I did a solid 3 days for sure in a row. And I always did it after my nighttime routine. After I brushed my teeth, flossed, right after I applied the strips, and you leave them on for 30 minutes, and that's it. And it's really not that bad because for me, I'm not the type of person to hop in bed and go to sleep. I'm probably up for like an hour, 2 hours, etc. But the thing is, I know it specifically says, here, let me pull out one of the packets for y'all. I know it specifically says that you're not supposed to do it right after you brush your teeth. Don't eat, smoke, sleep, or drink, with the exception of water during use. So you can drink water, but honestly, I don't even do that. I swear, okay, I genuinely remember on the packaging it was saying not to do it after you brush your teeth, and I don't know the reason, whether it's because your teeth are so freshly clean that the strips won't stick on your teeth, or if it's because you just got done like kind of abruptly brushing that it can cause more sensitivity. But either way, yes, whitening strips will maybe cause some sensitivity, so try it at your own risk. But me personally, I didn't really have sensitive teeth. I'm the type to bite my ice cream with my teeth, so that answers that question. But over time up to now, I do feel like my teeth kind of got more sensitive, but that's also because I be getting dry mouth because sometimes I sleep with my mouth open. Like, I don't mean to, but it just happens, so that kind of increased my sensitivity. But either way, beauty's pain, so it's fine. Here for a good time, not a long time. So this is the little package strip. This is what it looks like. It's literally super thin. It has directions on the back. But either way, I did it right after I brushed my teeth. I did have a problem with it not sticking one time, but that's because I still had saliva and maybe a little bit of film just because I just brushed my teeth. So now what I do to make it more effective is I literally swipe my teeth with my tongue and then get rid of any excess saliva in my mouth. That way your teeth is for surely a little bit drier, and this will adhere to your teeth better. Just rip it open and it's gonna look like two strips, like how you saw right here, that's stuck onto like a clear plastic film. I just apply it to my bottom teeth first from the front, cover all the front, and then I fold it over the back so that it really grips on and stays. And then you do the same exact thing with the top front teeth. But this is a tip that I say that worked for me and how I kind of got my teeth whiter. Here are some pictures of my freshman year of college again after I started doing whitening strips, after just literally those 3-4 treatments in a row. If you have sensitive teeth, probably don't do it every day back to back, maybe do it every other day to prevent sensitivity because it can get intense. And sometimes I have experienced that where I bend over and like my tooth starts freaking tweaking and it hurts because it's sensitive. But don't be alarmed because that's normal. It's not terrible and the results are worth it. I did it at nighttime specifically because I knew I wasn't gonna eat anything or really drink anything besides water after I did the strips. That way I'm not really getting rid of the product on my teeth because I don't rinse after. So after the 30 minutes you take the strips off, and sometimes after you'll have excess chunks from the strips and you can just take it off with your hand or kind of grab it with your tongue and then go spit it out. But yeah, that's how I found it most effective. You could do whatever you do, but that's really just what helped me, and the results are clear because my teeth freshman year of college, not to toot my own horn, but that stuff was kind of popping from these strips. That's crazy. And now I feel like my teeth are kind of slacking. They're not yellow, but I feel like they've definitely been whiter. But after you do just like the first few days in a row or every other day, that's really all you need to set the foundation. And after that, it's just maintenance. So that's why I didn't want to call it really my teeth whitening routine, because it's not something I do routinely. It's kind of something I do on an as needed basis. And it's all preference. There's nothing wrong with teeth shades. I personally just want my teeth to be white. You feel me? I think that's all the tips that I have. This is a really brief, short video, but I was like, let me just hop on this right quick because I know a lot of people have asked me in the comments over the years just how do I get my teeth white, or what's my teeth whitening routine if I did do teeth whitening, and this is it right here, baby. This is the answer. So go hit up Target, go hit up Walmart, go hit up your local drugstore and cop you some of these. It should last you. All right, that is pretty much it for this video, y'all. I hope it was helpful, and if you guys try it out, let me know if it works for you, because if you do see results the way I did, then I feel like that's really encouraging for other people watching this video going through the comments. So prove my theory right. All right, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.